Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Casey and I'm going to show you how to make soap at home. First of all, don't forget to protect your hands, your mouth, your clothes, your nose, your eyes, everything. Yeah, because it might be dangerous. And let's start. We will use ice and sodium hydroxide. All those and the full recipe you can find in the info box below. When you add hydroxide to the water, the temperature will be raised fast. Protect yourself and be careful. And now when your hydroxide solution is cooling down, we can mix oils. We will use pork fat, coconut oil, olive oil, and remember, oils must be the same temperature as the hydroxide solution. They will be hot, so safety is the number one priority, remember. Mixing 3-5 minutes and you can see how consistency will change. Now add some coffee beans for peeling and mix it up. It's time to pour our solution to shapes. Now I'm trying to smooth it a bit, but I can't, so maybe you can do it better. And now after 1 or 2 days, depends on your conditions, you can take the soap bars out and decorate it with stamps or calligraphy or whatever you have. Then put your soap to a dark aerated place. As longer you keep your handmade soap, as better it will be. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.